Welcome back, home enthusiasts! We're trustedshoppeingguide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated carpet and upholstery cleaning machines. Maintaining the appearance of your rugs and carpets can be difficult, especially if you have kids or pets who track in mud and spill from outside. Many of us wait until the filth has accumulated before calling a professional. However, the best carpet cleaners today let you perform a deep cleaning to a professional standard on your own. In this video, sit back and relax as we present to you a list of the 7 top-rated carpet and upholstery cleaning machines available. The team at trustedshoppeingguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the carpet and upholstery cleaning machines that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedshoppeingguide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first carpet and upholstery cleaning machine on our list is the BISSELL Portable Spot Cleaner. The BISSELL Portable Spot Cleaner removes spots, difficult stains, and entrenched filth using a combination of superior suction, scrubbing action, and specially designed BISSELL cleaning solutions. It is easy to take to hard-to-reach areas so you can remove spots and stains from carpets, area rugs, stairs, upholstery, auto interiors, and similar soft surfaces. In terms of size, it measures 15.35 by 11.02 by 13.98 inches and weighs 13.25 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BISSELL Portable Spot Cleaner a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: large detergent and water tanks. This enables you to clean respectably sized areas without needing to frequently stop to refill. 6.5-meter power cable. With this feature, you won't have to unplug the cleaner to move to a new outlet, making it easier to clean a large area. Easy to use. Just press the power button to turn it on, then squeeze the handle on the trigger to spray detergent on any marks and stains. You then just rub your chosen brush over the affected area and dirt and water will be sucked up and away. Easy to store. All you have to do is rinse out the dirty water tank, wind up the power cord, and wrap up the hose. You can then stash the compact machine on a shelf in a closet or even under your sink. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there's only one mark on the actual tank, which makes it quite difficult to work out how much water and cleaning fluid to add. The second carpet and upholstery cleaning machine on our list is the Hoover Portable Spot Cleaner. Deep cleaning meets grab-and-go convenience with the Hoover Portable Spot Cleaner. It tackles spots and stains on the carpet, upholstery, and even in the car. As for the size, it measures 11 by 10 by 15 inches and weighs 6.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hoover Portable Spot Cleaner a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: self-clean technology. With the help of this feature, the hose will be cleaned after each use to help get rid of bacteria and dirt and make the interior completely clean. Antimicrobial materials. These materials serve to protect the machine from germs, mold, and mildew, while also making it easy to clean. Lightweight and portable. You can reach and remove stains virtually anywhere, from carpet and upholstery to stairs and more. 2 removable tanks. This allows for easy filling and emptying by keeping clean and unclean water separate. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the hose must be cleaned after each use to avoid it from being nasty and smelly. The third carpet and upholstery cleaning machine on our list is the Hoover Spot Cleaner. Don't let spills and accidents get you down. With the Hoover Spot Cleaner, you can achieve ultimate portability with its lightweight design to reach and remove stains virtually anywhere. In terms of size, it measures 9.72 by 13.94 by 15.04 inches and weighs 9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hoover Spot Cleaner a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: self-cleaning hose. This feature helps in preventing the machine from developing odors and bacteria. Extendable hose. With this feature, you can complete a substantial amount of work before having to move the unit once more. Dual tanks. This keeps clean and unclean water separate so you can quickly fill, empty, and cleanse the tanks. Rubber nub. With this feature, you can easily scrub and apply the solution to high-pile carpets. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the package does not include cleaning solutions, so you need to purchase them on your own. The fourth carpet and upholstery cleaning machine on our list is the BISSELL Spot Cleaner. With the BISSELL Spot Cleaner, you can scrub and lift away those smaller messes like dirt and stains from all types of surfaces. It has powerful suction to easily remove dirt, paw prints from carpets and stairs, plus it works on car interiors too. As for the size, it measures 8.25 by 17.25 by 12.5 inches and weighs 9.65 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BISSELL Spot Cleaner a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: heat wave technology. This makes it easier to keep the water temperature constant throughout the cleaning procedure, resulting in a deeper and more thorough cleaning of all your surfaces. Small design. You can easily store the machine away in a compact and hidden space. Large capacity tank. This feature allows for fewer trips to the sink. Long 1.5-meter built-in hose. With its long hose, you can clean anywhere in the house at any time. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is required to fill the tank to the full line after adding the formula. The fifth carpet and upholstery cleaning machine on our list is the WECLEAN Spot Cleaner. Clean and fresh carpets in your home with the deep cleaning performance of the WECLEAN Spot Cleaner. The 400-watt motor works to revitalize the appearance and smell of your carpets while extracting ground-in dirt and pet hair. In terms of size, it measures 4.42 by 2.36 by 4.11 inches and weighs 9.13 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WECLEAN Spot Cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: independent cord and hose storage. This allows you to neatly put the carpet washer, which comes with an 11-foot hose and a 50-inch power cord, in your storage cabinet without having to deal with untidy wires. Heavy-duty bristles. With this feature, you can perform a deep clean and eliminate embedded dirt. Strong suction power. The powerful suction power of more than 9,000 pascals can absorb and clean stains on sofas, carpets, floors, and other places, such as pet urine, red wine stains, and more. 2 water tanks. This includes a 1.3-liter clean water tank and a 0.5-liter dirty water tank to separate clean and dirty water. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the tanks are quite small, so you will probably end up refilling them several times if you have more than one rug to clean. The sixth carpet and upholstery cleaning machine on our list is the Iris USA Spot Cleaner. The Iris USA Spot Cleaner is lightly and highly portable, so you can wash fabric anywhere you need. It is easy to carry it around the living room, kids' or babies' rooms, up to the stairs, and to your car as well. In terms of size, it measures 9.76 by 5.75 by 12.28 inches and weighs 8.05 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Iris USA Spot Cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: highly versatile. It can be used on most fabric surfaces such as car seats, couches, carpets, pet pads, and more. No detergents or chemicals are necessary. This spot cleaner cleans fabrics with just water and an integrated brush, making it safe to use around children and pets. Easy to clean. With inlet ports for fresh water, rinsing the tank out is quick and easy. Removable wastewater tank. The wastewater tank comes off at the touch of a button, so it can be emptied quickly. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is quite noisy, so you probably don't want to use it late at night. The seventh carpet and upholstery cleaning machine on our list is the Rug Doctor Spot Cleaner. Convenient, powerful, and quick, the Rug Doctor Spot Cleaner can remove stains, spills, and spots from pets, wine, coffee, cocoa, and more. With this, owners have plenty of time and energy to get ready for celebrations surrounding Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Festivus, and even a snowed-in day or two. As for the size, it measures 16.4 by 11.02 by 15.74 inches and weighs 19.8 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Rug Doctor Spot Cleaner a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: compact, lightweight, and maneuverable design. These design features make it an ideal cleaning device for hard-to-reach areas at home. Vibrating brush. This will provide additional agitation and should do well deep cleaning carpeted stairs or fabric upholstery. Retractable handle and carpet-friendly wheels. These features help you to move the spot cleaner easily. easy to use. There is no room for guesswork because you will only need to fill the container with water up to the first fill line and cleaning solution up to the second fill line. Removable filter and cover. With the help of this feature, you can clean the tank and keep it from smelling. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it is quite small, but it is still efficient enough to clean parts of your household. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated carpet and upholstery cleaning machines, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next carpet and upholstery cleaning machine roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.